Hi, class. So this is Module 8. And in Module 8, I thought we'd have our first quiz. There's no need to get nervous. I mean, you have the whole week to do it, just like any other module. And this quiz, you can think about it as a short preview of the kind of questions you'll see on the exam. And you'll be able to, it's sort of like a practice for the exam. Okay, so let me just go through the module and go over the quiz. So you have the whole week to write the quiz, starting from Monday, which would be the 12th of October, until the 18th. The quiz is due next Sunday, midnight, 10/18/20. How to submit your quiz? First of all, write your quiz as a Microsoft Word document, or save it as a, I should say, write or save your quiz as a Microsoft Word document, .doc file, right? So you can write it on Google Docs or Microsoft or Office 365 or whatever, but make sure you save it as a .doc file, right? Or Microsoft Word file. And then you upload your quiz on the bottom of this module page, just like you would upload a reading response paper. Okay, the grading is very straightforward. Everything adds up to 100 points. So there are 5 short questions, short answer questions, and worth 20 points each. So the total you'll get on the exam is 100 points. Now, how would I return your quizzes? I'll return your graded quizzes individually to the email address that you have registered on Blackboard. Now, this is very important if you want to get back your quiz. Make sure you write on your quiz paper your actual email address, so I can double check the email with the one you have on Blackboard, right? So make sure your quiz, on your quiz paper, you have your email address underneath your name. Might as well, I forget that. You must include your name and email address on your quiz. Okay, that's very important. And I should probably add here on how to submit your quiz. When submitting, well, actually, it doesn't matter. Actually, I don't need to do that. Okay, so I'll return your quizzes to you on that email that you have on your quiz paper, and I'll have comments on top of your quiz, probably as Microsoft Word comments or some other form. You'll get the grade and a brief comment. Okay, and then you'll see which question you got right or wrong or whatnot. Note, this is an open book and open notes and videos quiz, just like our upcoming first exam. This means that you can answer the question by using everything that's on our website. The videos, the discussion questions that I asked, my clarifying videos, and any and all of the assigned readings. But you're not supposed to bring anything from outside of whatever we studied in our class on our website. If you do that and I detect that, I just won't give you credit for that. So in other words, if you answer the question, one of the questions, by using an answer that we didn't really go over or in a way that we did not discuss, that's not clearly tied to the way we studied that question, then I won't give you credit. Okay, so that's the one thing to watch out for. So you can use our website, any of the materials that we have to answer. It's an open book, open notes, open video exam. You can use anything we have on our website to answer the questions, but everything has to be in your own words. Okay, so in other words, no quotes from any of the readings or videos. Right? You must paraphrase, put everything in your own words. Because that's how we can really tell if you understand something or not, if we can put it in our own words. If we can't, then we don't know it well enough. And lastly, this is a quiz, so unlike our exams, your answers are supposed to be short and to the point. So paragraph form. You don't need to write essays for any of these questions. You can do that on the exam, okay? So it's supposed to be short, but I'm giving you a week to really be as accurate and precise as possible in these answers, to practice, to review, and then in 3 weeks or so, we'll have our exam, which will be exactly in the same format. except the answers are going to have to be much more detailed in essay form. So this is like a preview for the exam. And here are the essay questions. 1, according to the Michael Parenti reading, how do we tell the difference between social classes? Now you have to be specific and to the point. 2, describe what is surplus value. In our study of social class, one of the videos and readings, we talked about this. 3, what do MCM prime and CMC refer to? Remember, we made a big deal about this, and our discussions covered this. In my summary video, I covered this. Which social class wrote the Constitution and which one did not? It's one of the later modules. And lastly, according to Federalist number 10, what is the source of wealth among people? Okay, so think about this. And once you complete your quiz, you submit it as a Microsoft Word document, by entering your name, choosing the file, and clicking submit. And that's it. All righty. As soon as I figure out how to quit this video, I'll make the summary module 6 video now. Have a good weekend.